I've spent my entire life here on the farm. The thing that makes me most passionate is providing nutritious food to people. And it's something that has been done on this farm for years and years and years, over many generations. And to be able to continue that legacy and support the community that I live in is a wonderful kind of feeling. Farms are big energy users, whether that be pumping, refrigeration, irrigation more generally. We do use a lot of power. So in lowering those costs, renewables was really the only kind of option. So we invested in a 12 kilowatt solar panel system and 5 kilowatts of battery. So the number one reason was to lower the energy bills, and it has done so. That's really important, I think, in terms of the cost of living that we're going through. If everyone has the opportunities to either know and ideally invest in renewables, then the community in terms of energy security will be much better off. I can't see producing food becoming any cheaper in the future, but I can see producing power to becoming cheaper.